Hi, I'm Anupa. Today I'm going to show you an Udupi restaurant special recipe of Mysore Masala Dosa. All my prep is ready, so let's get started. So to make the dosa, I have ready-made dosa batter to which I need to add some salt. And let's mix this up. The consistency should be like this, absolutely dropping. The tawa has to be hot, and on hot tawa we are going to add the batter. So let's start a little bit of oil on the tawa. We are able to grease the tawa. Let's take a portion of the batter. So we've added some butter to this. So what we have here, some onions, tomatoes, some chilli-garlic chutney, some coconut chutney, some fresh coriander, carrot, some beetroot, green chillies, and a portion of the aloo bhaji, the masala. Now we need to put everything onto the tawa and let us place the lid for a minute. And let's open the lid. Look at the color on the side. It's all got that lovely color. Now let's use a spoon or a knife and just spread this masala. The masala is also got soft, it's got a little tender. Let's add one more exciting ingredient on top of this. I'm going to add cheddar cheese. Oh, this is a loaded dosa. And that's done. Now let's fold it. Beautiful. So here you go, our Mysore Masala Dosa is ready. Do try this recipe at home. It's tasty, unique and simply delicious.